she's known as the mother of the waters. According to in Nigeria, we call her Mami Wata, okay, or mermaid, okay. Jeremiah mentions her a lot, especially in Jeremiah chapter 8 and Jeremiah 44. She's also known as Queen of Heaven, So Paul also talks about that in Ephesians 6, that we do not wrestle against flesh and blood, but principalities and powers, rulers of darkness, spiritual hosts of wickedness in heavenly places, okay? So, there is the heaven above us that we see, when the Creator created this earth, and he's creating this earth. He separated he created the land, and he also the waters. He divided the waters, the ones that's going to be down here, besides the earth, and he gives a law that it cannot pass a certain point. That's what we see in the beach, the water could flow, right, but it doesn't go past a certain line demarcation. Same thing. So he also separated waters that's down here and also waters that's above. So that's where the waters that are above, where the clouds are, what we call sky or heavens, where rain falls from. Some other parts of what is America or Europe get snow, or there in Asia get really snow coming from the heavens, right? Some parts get hail. Okay, so that's water coming from above, showing that there's water above us. Okay, so these spirit, some people call them marine spirits. They dwell in the heavenly places. So that's why she's also known as Queen of Heaven. Okay, she's also known as a fertility goddess. The moon, according to the Babylonian mythology, is her representation. Okay, she represents the moon. In any culture or any religion that connects with the moon, it really connects back to her. Okay, and she has different names, but according to this religion, Santeria, is Yamaya. Okay, which is all connected with Ishtar. I'm going to get into that. So fertility, moon goddess, mother of Tammuz. Okay, so according to Babylonian mythology, she's a wife. Ishtar is a wife to Nimrod, and Nimrod, they both have a son named Tammuz. But she just have different names in different cultures, different religions. And according to this Santeria religion, she's known as Yamaya, which is connected back to Yoruba tribe.